I'm Mayor Mike Foreman in the middle of road construction on Clearview Avenue. Before work began in late July, this street was in really bad shape. It only took a little rain to make this a big mess. The curbs and gutters will be completed in the next couple of weeks, and then the next crew will be coming in to repair the roadway itself. Clearview is one of many on the list of streets that have repairs in progress using funding from the sales tax for streets. Others are Layfair Place, Rancho Circle, Mary Ann Drive, Laura Lee Lane, and Apple Blossom Lane. And still to come this year are Marywood Drive, Murphy Lane, Clear Creek Drive, Cowards Creek Drive, Winding Way, Pennystone Way, Brentwood Lane, Azalea Trail, Camellia Court, and Carolina Court. These repairs are paid for with the 3/8 cent sales tax for street repair approved by voters in 2016. Each year that adds up to $1.6 million. In addition to the list of streets currently being fixed or soon to be repaired, there is a long list of ones that have been completed this year with funding from the sales tax for street repairs. Election Day is November 3rd. You'll have the opportunity to vote for or against the reauthorization of sales tax for road repair for 4 more years. See you next time.